Ethereum could retreat 1.3% tomorrow, according to Gov Capital. To start things off, here's where the price is standing today. Ethereum has advanced by 0.4% today and is currently hovering around $2,502.71. Now it's time for the analysts' takes. The forecast from traders union points to $2,532.39 by August 29, a projected gain of about 1%. Ethereum is expected to move higher to $2,509.61, according to CoinCodex, a gain near 0.1%. CoinLore highlights the potential to move downward to $2,500, a projected fall of 0.3%. A separate outlook from Gov Capital points to Ethereum moving lower toward $2,474.98, a projected loss of roughly 1.3%. And finally, CoinDataFlow points to $2,361.17 by tomorrow, 5.8% below current value. This is the highest profit potential we've reviewed. That wraps up this section. Let's keep going. Forecasts reviewed. Here's what each implies in figures. From all projections combined, the move could be from a decline of 5.8% to an increase of 1%. Therefore, CoinDataFlow stands out with the highest projected return with 5.8% gain in value by tomorrow. That means you could earn between $1 and $58 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most probable price movement, with a 88.3% chance of success. By assembling the 5 forecasts, I've presented a unified consensus outlook. Consensus expectations put Ethereum at approximately $2,475.63. Here's the detailed picture. Consensus evaluation shows a 1.2% move down. Accordingly, your capital would also be up by about 1.2%. If you put in 1,000, the move might result in around $12 gained. And the probability of this consensus forecast being realized is about 81.3%. Let's briefly shift to the 3-day horizon and see what analysts project. Traders Union emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. The direction, meanwhile called out by CoinCodex, is toward higher levels. CoinLore suggests calm conditions with prices steady. Likewise, Gov Capital points to a sideways outlook, where Ethereum drifts without meaningful progress. CoinDataFlow highlights building pressure to the downside. Collectively, the forecasts point to Ethereum remaining calm, with the consensus indicating minimal movement in the short term. Summing it up, most analysts share a bullish view on Ethereum. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how they performed. As a result, the verified closing price was $2,510.75. The majority of analysts' forecasts were accurate about the move. If we rank forecasts by precision, CoinDataFlow takes first place. Now it's time to see the outcome more closely. 2 forecasts stayed in yesterday's trading range. As for ROI, several analysts ended in profit, with crypto predictions showing the strongest gain at 2.5%. Take a look at the results table. It shows the overall outcome of all forecasts. From the table, Gov Capital reached minus 1.9% ROI and $68.17 accuracy. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. Here's how tomorrow's predictions look for various cryptos compared with Ethereum. Ethereum isn't leading this time, as the top spot goes to Bitcoin Cash with a forecasted return of 2.8%. For now, this view includes Ethereum and 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability overview is now available on my website. The market moves fast, so hit subscribe and don't fall behind. See you in the next one.